Good morning, everybody. I'm Dr. Sage Wolfe with BraveHeart Nation, and I'm just out here in Duluth, Minnesota now. I'm doing Wolfe non-surgical personal treatment and training for one of our practitioners that you've seen. Actually, she's a master practitioner for Serena and Dana Billings. And then we also have two New World practitioners. It's a little chilly right now, and I just wanted to hop on here, but it's actually not that bad. It was cold this morning. It was really cold the first day I got here, but like, do stuff that makes you uncomfortable. I'm gonna flip this around. So the ice just melted off the lake here, and I'm not somebody who's like super into doing cold plunges and stuff, but I do know it's good for you, and it's good to do things that get you out of your comfort zone. So this morning, me and Dana went down, and we went in the lake, and we're gonna try to do it every day for the next 4 days and see how that goes. But it is pretty chilly right now, but it's not that bad. Your body gets accustomed to these things as you kind of put it through like certain like stress levels. But on the other note, I'm just out here in Minnesota teaching them and just getting their tools more sharpened. They already know how to do non-surgical. They're working on clients constantly. She has a business out here, but there's levels to this. There's always going to be another level. You're always going to want to continue progressing. And so I'm just out here getting them a little bit more accustomed to specific positions, specific body parts, getting them getting them into learning a little bit more of like detoxing and specific reasons why ailments happen, and then just teaching them how to just tune up their techniques just a little bit more, because the sky's the limit, but it's not. There's always more to progress. The universe is infinite. You're always going to get better. You're always going to want to learn more. So I'm just out here training them. You're going to see them on the lives with me over the next couple days. So try to watch. I might bring it down and try to get you guys to watch a video of us doing a cold plunge, but it's a little like you hear me screaming. I'm not really in a relaxed moment, but I'll try to bring it down as I get more comfortable with it, because get comfortable in your uncomfortable, guys. Push yourselves to do better, be better. I hope you all have a beautiful day, and we'll see you later.